I've been real skeptical about this smoked queso dip that's making its way around the interwebs, all on these Facebook groups and all this kind of stuff. I thought, what does it matter? Is a little bit of smoke, does it matter? I don't know. We're gonna cook it over on the pellet grill just to see, hey, is it good? Or can you just put it in a crock pot and let it ride? We're gonna start off, we're gonna brown a little bit of sausage. This is just breakfast sausage. One of my favorite brands here. Just gonna kind of break this up so more of the sausage kind of gets some of that griddle love. All right, we're just gonna let that ride because we got some other things to do over here on the cutting board. Take you one of these disposable aluminum pans. These are the best things since sliced bread, just saying. And we're gonna add a lot of goodness to it. We got a block of cream cheese. I don't know if I wanna leave it whole. Am I gonna leave it whole? Nah, I'm gonna chop it up a little bit. We're just gonna chop this up just a little bit so it's not one just big old glob. What I like about this is kind of a dump and stir, if you will. Let's put this cream cheese right over here in this corner because we're just gonna kind of put everything in there. The Andersons are gonna come over, they're gonna critique us on how we organize our smoked queso. Now, time for the cheese. And it's nothing but the best, Velveeta. I'm sure somebody out there is thrilled, absolutely thrilled on this. I can see them right now. That cheese, over-processed stuff. This world coming to, man. I don't know, dude. Just live life. Be happy. Smoke some queso. Just be happy. You know, just be happy. Words of wisdom of Hussey right there. We got 2 blocks of these. This is a 16 ounce, 32 ounce. I thought I bought the big one, but I didn't. So 2 of these it is. While you're doing this, you also want to get your smoker. We're going to go 250 degrees, okay? Go ahead and get it up, get it going. Velveeta is in here. What else we gonna put in here? Well, I'm glad you asked. Everybody else I see, they do all this pretty stuff. Mine's not so pretty, but it's gonna taste good. It's gonna taste real good. Rotel. This stuff's some good stuff, y'all. Actually using the Mexican style with lime and cilantro. I think I can, nope. Daggone me in this thing. Oh, ooh, Jacob. Ha ha, look at me, sucker. 1 can of Rotel. Actually, I'm doing 2 cans of Rotel. I'm getting really good at this can opener. Oh, geez Louise. Y'all make me nervous. 2 cans, Rotel. Now, I thought a little bit of corn. And they have this awesome little fire roasted corn. I thought that'd be really good. If you want to maybe put it onto the griddle or onto an open fire, you got some fresh corn. I don't have any fresh corn. Somebody I know has fresh corn. Jacob's got fresh corn. You should be coming with fresh corn. And we're gonna add this corn right to it, right there. Last but not least, black beans. Black beans, I love black beans. I've come a long way with this thing, can opener. Me and it, we had our struggles a long time ago. We've worked through them. It's just a perfect relationship now. And into this pool. Man, this is gonna be an awesome pool. It's time we check on our sausage here. It's just hanging out. Feel free to use whatever sausage you want. There's hot variations of sausages you can make. If you want to do ground beef would work. You want to do turkey, you want to do chicken. Sky's the limit. Just insert whatever here, guys. Just chop up your sausage in manageable pieces. You kind of want some big, some small. Yeah, hey, do whatever you like. One thing I want to add here, forgot about these, little jalapenos. Some fresh jalapenos. And I think what I might do is add these to the griddle and get them a little griddle action into some of that sausage grease. I'm gonna take a little bit of these seeds and this membrane out. I like heat, but I don't like a lot of heat. And I'm just gonna put a rough chop on these. And we're gonna put our jalapenos just right onto the griddle top to get them a little bit of flavor, kind of tames them out just a little bit. Our sausage is done, actually. We don't want our sausage to cook anymore. Lay that right over into our pan. Some of that good old sausage grease too. It's good stuff too, you need it. Got some flavor in it. Our jalapenos are done. I just wanted them a little bit of love and some of that sausage grease, that's all. No, nothing more, nothing less. I think we're ready for the smoker now. Y'all follow me over, let's get it on. All right, we're at 250 degrees. I'm gonna let that go for, we'll check in about 30 minutes, all right? Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes, counting down.
See you in 30 minutes. Y'all, sheesh, I forgot something. Put a little taco season. This right here is Blackstone street taco. A little bit of that. All right, guys, it's been 30 minutes. Let's see what our queso dip is looking like. Woo! Give us a good mix. Not quite there. It's getting there. meat and all this goodness. We're just gonna stir this. We're gonna incorporate everything. We're gonna let it go for probably another 30 minutes or so. Y'all don't go anywhere. We're gonna let this go for another 30 minutes and we're gonna give that queso a try. I have a feeling, y'all, it's gonna be good. Stay tuned. All right, guys, my timer just went off for another 30 minutes. Let's see where we're at. Oh boy. Boy, look at that right there. That's some good old cheese dip right there. Guys, this is ready. I'm gonna come over there. I don't have any mitts. I feel like they're ready. These things are ready. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be quick. Lord be with me. Woo. Woo, woo. It's hot, 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 hot. All right, look at there. Woohoo! Dang it, boys and girls. I'm about to put a chip in that. Give this a try. Let's give it a try, y'all. What do you say? Good night. Look at that. Boy, that right there, that's thicker than a dang Snicker. Come on. Son. Woo, I like these scoops. I like using them because obviously it scoops it up. It's going to be hot. It might burn the hide off my tongue. Oh, man. That is good right there. I get a little bit of heat. Probably from that jalapeno, from that rotel. That's good right there. I tell you what though, they say smoked queso. This reminds me, my old buddy Bird used to call this stuff mud flap because it looks like whenever you sling mud on the mud flaps, that's what it looks like. Looks like mud flap, don't it? What do you think? Let's rename it the mud flap. Give it another try. A little bit of smoky, not overly powerful, just really good. Your tailgate, your football party, baseball party, even a baby shower. They'd be going crazy over this. The Andersons would be like, oh, we're gonna celebrate baby boy John and some queso dip. Daggone it, boy. Y'all try this. I guarantee you'll like it. Y'all also check out this video right here. I guarantee you'll love it too.